Yo, what's up? This is Christopher back with another video, and today we're going to look at the AboveTEK stylish aluminum tablet stand. Now, I bought this to put on my desk next to my MacBook Pro. I also have another desk with an iMac, so I'll probably put it on the desk with the iMac, whatever. But it's kind of similar in design to it. Not quite the same. They actually have two different versions of this particular stand. Retails for $35. It's actually on sale. Normally it's like $55, but if you grab it right now, it's on sale for $35. So without further ado, let's move that iPad. Grab the little unboxing knife, like every YouTuber in the world has. And let's open this bad boy up. Put that box out of the way. So as you can see right here, AboveTEK, AboveTEK. Now I bought this on Amazon, obviously, or whatever. And it looked kind of nice. I was like, you know what? I want a way to prop up my iPad on my stand. I use an application called Do It Display sometimes, and it kind of mimics my Mac display and allows me to use the iPad as a second display. So that's what I bought this for. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, in the box you're going to get a camera holder. And we're going to get the stand. Actually, this is white, not the silver. I think I ordered the silver, but let's see, which one did I order? Oh no, actually I did order the white. I don't know, for some reason I thought I ordered the silver. You get a little tool with it, a little Allen wrench type tool, some instructions, and then the stand itself. Now, before I even put the iPad on here, I just want to mention, that thing is heavy. I mean, this thing probably weighs, I don't know, 10 pounds, 15 pounds. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's definitely not light. This is definitely going to hold your tablet. Now, let me see. I don't know if it'll fit the 12.9 inch iPad. No, it will fit a 4-inch to 11-inch device, which includes like the iPhone. So let's go ahead and see how this, okay, it's got a little knob back here on the back so you can adjust the viewing angle. So if you want to keep it kind of, you know, if you're watching a movie or something, you can adjust it. Then of course you can lower it and raise it right here. So let's go ahead, let me take my iPad out of this case. Just wiping this down really quick so it's not so nasty. So let's spread that out. Okay, so this just kind of like opens up, like you just apply pressure to it. Let me put the tablet in, change the orientation. And yeah, there's your iPad. So then you can, of course, like I said, you could adjust the viewing angle of that. You could unloosen it and then adjust the angle. You could also rotate it. And then let's open up this little camera holder package and see what this is about. Oh, I see. So you can unscrew this completely. I think this is what it is. Yeah. Okay, that completely unscrews. And then I guess you change it to, you put this on the back instead of the little ball mount for the tablet. Now I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this back together. But anyway, this is the AboveTEK tablet stand for your desk. Looks really awesome. The back part here is plastic. The base of it is definitely all metal. Let me just show you some of the, take my tablet off here. So it has like these little foam on the, it has the little foam padding here on the inside as well as the bottom so you don't scratch your tablet up when you slide it in the device. Let me grab my iPhone real quick. Oh yeah, so you could throw your iPhone in there as well as your iPad. It would have to go portrait mode, but then of course you could rotate it into landscape. But yeah, that's it, the AboveTEK tablet holder, I guess, and phone holder. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check that out. So far, my first impressions, yeah, this is really nice. On the bottom here, you got these 4 little rubber stoppers so it doesn't slide on the desk and keeps it steady. But if you have any questions or comments about this particular tablet holder, feel free to leave that below. As always, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace! Can't believe I unscrewed this and had it fall apart on camera. But, okay, it's back to normal. Now I gotta look at the instructions, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going to mention that on video. Look like an idiot. The real men don't use instructions. we don't use maps either. We just find our way. Ah, I see. So yeah, that does definitely go right there for the phone. You have to take this little back piece off right here. I took off the wrong part. Ah, I see. So that pops on like so, and then you can mount that there for the smartphone. I got it. Not a problem. Now if I can get this back together. Yeah. This never happened on camera.
The way in which you destroy a opponent is get him to destroy himself.